Hello and welcome to my website. So in this section of the newsletter is a list of some of the upcoming events, but I wanted you to kind of know how to find that information and add them to your calendar and how to RSVP to me. So in the calendar link is a Google Calendar that I have created for my customer events. So if I added something to my calendar and it's for my customers, I will copy it over to this Google Calendar so it'll populate here. What that allows you to do is you can click on it and you can find out where this event is located, any information. If there's more details, you can click here and you can copy it to your calendar. So it's a quick way for you to find out when my events are, where they are, and add them to your calendar. So we just had my digital cafe on Saturday. The next one is coming up July 26th, and you can see where it's located, the time, and then more details. Well, it doesn't really give me more details, so don't click more details. It doesn't do anything for you. Okay, but if you want more information and you'd like to RSVP, that's what this handy RSVP area is. But let's pause on that for a minute. I also put things out here like virtual crop. So the Pixies, which I'm a part of the team that puts on these events, they're having a virtual crop on the 11th and 12th. And then the 18th, 19th, and 20th, I will have a table for Creative Memories and a table for Forever at the First Class Scraps Crop, which I'm vendor at every one of their events. And I should, yep. So if you're like, oh, I'd like to go to that event, where is it? It has the address, and here's a link. So you can go out and you can sign up to participate in this event. So I try to make it easy for you to connect and sign up for events that I'm a vendor at or that I'm hosting. So the information will be out here in my calendar. RSVPs, so digital crops. We have the in-person digital cafe, which is once a month, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And if you're coming and you're like, I need help, you can tell me in advance what you need help with and fill out a ticket, and it gives me a list of people that need help. Every digital cafe at 3 p.m., I talk about a topic that's something I learned recently, and you can click on this link here, even if you're not coming, and join us and watch. And then it's recorded, and then eventually it will be edited and added to my YouTube channel. Down here you can see the setup, the church, the address, click for directions, and then you can see if for some reason the church is not available, we have it in my basement, my house, and what that address is. And then a form where you can register online, upcoming dates, who's RSVP'd for upcoming events. So when you RSVP, you can say what dates you're planning on coming. So if you're going to RSVP to 3 different dates, you can just list them out here too. Okay, scrolling back up, RSVP, digital crops. I do have a day crop every Monday, 1 to 4 in my home. It's free. This is All Things Forever. If you need help, I'm here to help. Can't make it, we can Zoom. Just let me know and I can coordinate with you and I can Zoom. It is hard though if there's somebody in the room at the same time if I'm helping you. So probably what we do, we would pick a specific time during that 1 to 4 that I'm all yours and I'm paying attention to. So if you know you're planning on coming, you can RSVP here. If you'd like to be on my text list, you can just let me know and I send out a text reminder every Monday morning at 9 a.m. to those that are on this list. And then you can just say, I'll be there, or not reply at all, or you can say, I can't come. Either way is up to you. It doesn't bother me if you don't come, but it's available every Monday. All right, RSVPs, weekend crops. Crops for you. Those are events that I put on. Drury and Chesterfield is where my weekend crops are right now. I need to update my website, so April's not there. That was the last one. The next one coming up is in December. This is the location where we have the events. is the address, our group number for when you make reservations. You can click here to make reservations. There's a form if you want to download and do a paper form, or you can register online. You can pay online, or you can mail the form with the check. And you can see the list of people that are signed up for December so far. So I can fit up to about 55 to 60 people in that room. So it's a pretty good sized room. And we had a really great time in April, so it's going to be a great place moving forward. And I think, oh, here, P2P Live. So the next P2P Live event is in September, and I think we might have one more spot available in person, and virtual, we do have some space left. So if you wanted to RSVP, you would fill out the form online, or you could click here to download the paper form, pay your fees online, and sign up. Did I cover everything? I think I did. So the Drury Crops, if you want to mark your calendar, I don't have it on my website yet, but it will be updated shortly. In 2026, the spring date is going to be February 19th through the 22nd. And the December crop, the winter weekend crop, is December 3rd through the 6th. So that's February 19th through the 22nd and December 3rd through the 6th. All right, so that is how you get connected to my events and RSVP. Thanks for watching.